Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your quick stake amount on Betfair, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account in Betfair and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of Betfair on in the screen. Where you can see menu option at bottom, just tap over there and you will be redirected to the another section where you can see settings option at top right corner. Just tap over there. And now finally you can see quick stakes. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to change your or modify your quick stake over here. So let's say 100, and finally click on confirm and you will be able to change or modify your quick stake amount successfully. So basically this is how you can change your quick stake amount on Betfair. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.